Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: Xampp running with Apache and MySQL, and Python 3 installed. Once done, open a terminal and verify Python version and pip version so you avoid path issues. Next, install a connector library, for example pip install MySQL connector Python. That gives you the driver Python needs. Make sure Xampp MySQL service is started, and note the port and credentials you set during Xampp installation. These values are required for the next step. Now write the connection code. Import the connector, then build a connection object with host equals 127, 0, 0, 1, port equals 3306, user, password, and database. Use parameterized queries to avoid SQL injection, for example, cursor. Execute select asterisk from table where ID equals %s, value. Once you run queries, fetch results with fetchOwn or fetchall. Make sure to commit changes for insert/update statements. Use try/except. Finish by running your Python script and verifying you receive expected rows or success messages. If the connection fails, first confirm MySQL is running inside Xampp and ports match what your code uses. Change ports or use 127, 0, 0, 1 explicitly if localhost resolves oddly. Also check ini to enable TCP/IP and confirm your firewall allows the port. As a key troubleshooting tip, inspect exception messages and log files. They usually point to authentication, port, or driver problems that you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.